Hello, welcome to Crypto Trade One. Today we are going to show you on new type of scam which is happening on Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, as you know, it's been trending right now, and it's been going towards all-time high, and it is on trend right now. And currently, in the name of Shiba Inu, there are many fake Telegram channels and many fake websites which is created look same like the real one and scamming the people. And this is to educate you how to spot such scams and how to be safe and keep yourself away from such scams and safeguard your crypto assets. Here I have opened coinmarketcap.com. You can use CoinGecko as well. This is the website. It lists all the cryptos and the daily market movement and the details of any crypto or token, crypto coin or token projects. Here, for example, I'm opening Shiba here, Shiba INU, and it's been trending for quite some time, and it's been, as you can see, it's going to break all-time high. And the recent scam which is happening in the name of Shiba and Shiba INU is this is legit one. I'm not saying this is the fake. And in the name of Shiba Inu, new websites and new type of scamming is coming up. So this is to give you awareness how to spot such. And and the scamming is here on Telegram. This is the channel. As you can see here, they have quite significant, quite good number of followers here. About 57,000 followers here, subscribers of this channel, and this is the scamming channel. This is the channel t.me/Shibu Inu token official @page. So here, what they are claiming to be the official channel, and people can get benefit out of it. You can see this channel created just recently, September 1, and this is first red flag. If it is created most recently, obviously it is fake. The official Shiba Inu channel will not be such most recently created. And then you see only two posts in this channel, just two posts. One on October 17, September 1 they have created, October 17 the first post, and then the second post here. This is just an example of how many Shiba Inu, the fake channels, are being created and how people are getting cheated because of this. For this particular channel, we will make another video in detail how they are scamming the people, scamming the crypto new traders. And so now here, this video is all about the website, fake website created in the name of Shiba. This one here. Just let me say here on CoinMarketCap, you can spot the real website, ShibaInuToken.com. If you open it here, if you go to Shiba Swap, you can see the website link here, ShibaSwap.com. SHIBA. And if you write it even by typo, ShibuSwap.com. Swap.com. If you open it, this also looks alike, same like ShibaSwap.com. And once you open ShibuSwap.com, this will redirect to this website, which is Shiba-Swap.finance. So shibuswap.com, this is fake website, fake. And this website again redirect to this one, which is shiba-swap.finance. You can see here, this is again another fake link, they're redirecting it. So this one, everything looks same like the original one. And here, for even to provide liquidity, or if you want to swap, you need to connect to MetaMask. If you click here connect, if you click here, this pop-up will come. It will ask you to connect to MetaMask. Just you have to click next and connect. It is connected. And on the fake website, if you click connect, it is same as the original one. The pop-up is coming. If you click connect, then this one is coming. And if you click MetaMask, it is asking you for the private key. See here, it is asking you for the private key. If you click that and enter your private key, or even if you put your secret phrase, the one you must have noted down when you had created your MetaMask wallet, if you are entering the details, then these fake scammers will be in full control of your wallet, will take the complete control of your wallet. They can uh, take all your hard-earned crypto assets which you have stored in your MetaMask. So you need to be aware of such scams. There are many such scams are happening in crypto world, and you need to make sure you are opening the legit real website. Everything looks same and everything you feel like it's a real one, but it is not. To minimize this risk, you can always open CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. If you go to coinmarketcap.com, and for example in this case Shiba, for example, if you search for Shiba INU is here, and the website link and details they have given, these are all legit ones. Like this is Telegram, official Shiba's Telegram channel link. You see how many members here. So 1.7 million members are there. Sorry, 1,71,000. Yeah, 1,71,000 members are there. In that one, in that fake channel which we have shown you, you see 57,000 members. This is not bad, and we don't know how many people got scammed through this. We will make a separate video on this particular new type of scamming. On the next video we will make it, and we will tell you in detail. And on this particular thing, this is the scam we are discussing now, the fake website. And if you click connect wallet, it will ask you for MetaMask, and then it is asking you for the private key, or that 12 or 14 phrase which you had noted on when you are creating your MetaMask wallet. So it's asking for these details. This is the fake one, and in real Shiba Inu, it will never ask you for that. So never ask you for the secret phrase or private key. So please be aware and keep yourself safe from such scamming. So there are many hundreds of such scams are happening, and many newbie would have lost their hard-earned asset. So be careful. So always when you are if you want to check the any link or anything is real or fake, you always open CoinMarketCap, and from CoinMarketCap search for the coin. For example, in this case I have opened Shiba Inu coin, and here the official website is given. You always open link from the official ones. And here if you go to use Shiba Swap, here is the real swap page, it's coming here. This page is fake one, and this is where if you given your secret phrase or private key, your assets will be gone. So be careful on that. And even if you come across as our followers, if you had come across any such scam, please let us know so that we can educate others as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next educational video. Thank you.